I'm Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja. You are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Raja Nadeem Sajjad Official. Today I'm going to talk about acne. Acne is the most common skin condition. It occurs during puberty, can occur at any age. It affects both male and females. Sebaceous glands are very active, especially during the puberty, produces oil. When they are blocked, so acne appears on the face, shoulders, back, neck, chest, and upper arm. Acne is a chronic inflammatory skin condition that causes spots and pimples. It affects millions of the people in the world. So what are the signs and symptoms of acne? Acne signs vary depending on the severity of the skin condition. Whiteheads, some appears as blackheads, small red tender bumps which are called as papules, pimples. Everyone is aware of this word pimples, which are papules with pus at their tips. Sometimes large, solid, painful lumps under the skin are also present, which are called as nodules. Painful pus-filled lumps under the skin, these are called as cystic lesions. So what are the common causes of acne or pimples? Sebaceous glands, when they start producing excessive oil. So hair follicles clogged by oil and dead skin, then they cause acne. Some bacteria, for example, Propionibacterium acne, is also responsible for acne. Inflammation is another cause of acne. Certain other things which worsen or trigger acne, for example, hormonal changes. Androgen increases during the puberty and it also increases the sebaceous cyst functions. Some medications, for example, use of corticosteroids, testosterone, lithium, are also responsible for acne. If someone is eating spicy, oily food, then acne is the common problem among those. Stress does not cause, but it worsens the acne. Acne is a simple disease or simple infection or simple problem. It does not cause any harm, but if untreated, it leaves scars. So who is at risk of suffering with acne? Nowadays, hospital or healthcare workers are facing this problem, this issue, acne issue, due to the face masks. As I mentioned, it can affect all ages, males and females, but it is common in teenagers. Whenever there are hormonal changes at the time of puberty or pregnancy, then acne starts appearing on the body, on the face especially. If any of your family member is suffering with acne, then other members are also at risk of suffering with acne. If you are using greasy or oily substances on your face, then there is also risk of acne. Friction or pressure on your skin, this can be caused by the items such as telephones, cell phones, helmets, tight collars, and backpacks. So how we can treat acne? There are several options. So medications help to reduce oil production, swelling, and if there are any bacteria, then antibiotics are used to treat bacterial infection. So results are usually visible after 4 weeks, and acne is cured between 4 to 8 weeks. Wash face twice or thrice daily. Apply medication, and if doctor suggested any oral medication, then take oral medication. Topical medications are used for example, retinoids and retinoid-like drugs such as Tazorac, Avage, Avita, Retin A. Antibiotics are also given to treat acne if there is Propionibacterium acne is causing acne. Some azelaic acid and salicylic acid are also used. Antibiotics are also given, and sometimes doctor also suggests combined oral contraceptives. Anti-androgen agents are also given to reduce the production of androgen hormone. Vitamin A is also prescribed. So now I tell you 10 skin care habits that can help clear your acne. This one I borrowed from American Academy of Dermatologists. Wash your face twice a day, especially after the sweating each time. Use your fingertips to apply a gentle, non-abrasive cleanser. Be gentle with your skin. So be careful when you are using skin products. So do not use any skin product which is oily or greasy or not suitable to you. So scrubbing your skin can make acne worse. Rinse your face or affected areas with warm water. Shampoo regularly if your hair are oily. Let your skin heal naturally. If there are acne, let them heal naturally. Do not play with them. Keep your hands off your face. Stay out of the sun and tanning beds. Consult your doctor if your acne makes you shy or embarrassing. The products you have tried have not worked. Your acne is leaving scars or darkening your skin. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, please write down in the comment section. I will answer your queries. Or you can contact me on my Facebook page, Dr. Raja Nadeem Sajjad Khinger. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, Dr. Raja Nadeem Sajjad Official, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon button so you will receive my all latest videos. Thank you.